What's up, everybody? This is Maria. Welcome back. We are continuing Phil Collins' Face Value with Thunder and Lightning. This one, now that I've gotten a little bit more perspective on the album and what its, I guess, true origin is, I think this is a love song. Now that I think about it, no wonder why it's on his love songs compilation from 2004. Now that I've listened to it like for the thousandth time, it's simply him saying, "I was in love. But I never thought that would happen again. But who knew that it would? The love would strike twice." Very simple song, but it has a nice little beat to it. Let me know what y'all think of it in the comments. Uh, a lot of Phil's stuff is pretty straightforward. That's why I like his stuff more than Genesis. Because Genesis, you're thinking, what the hell does that song even mean? So tell me what you think, and I will get to Thunder and Lightning. And all rights go to Phil Collins as always. And the drums on this album, though, for real. Yeah. Oh. Never thought I'd get tired of playing games. Ooh, but I've been holding back for too long. Now the time has come, I'm gonna get this right. Now the time to show them all that they're wrong. Oh, but they say thunder, and they say lightning. It would never strike twice. Oh, if that's true, then why can't you tell me how come it feels so nice? Whoa, it feels alright. It's alright. It's alright. I never did believe in guiding lights. Just didn't hold slipped away. It is that feeling deep down in my shoes. Seems like they're going my way. Ah, but they say thunder, and they say lightning. Oh, it would never strike twice. Wow, but if that's true, then why can't you tell me? How come it feels so nice? So nice, feels alright. Yeah. Ow. Hmm. Never did believe in second chance. Give one crack at the whip and that's all. But if you play the game, you got treated right. Oh, but I ain't playing that game no more. Oh, but they say thunder and they say lightning. It will never strike twice. Oh, but if that's true, then why can't you tell me? How come this feels so nice? Oh, when they say thunder, they say lightning. It will never strike twice. Wow, if that's true, then why can't you tell me? This feels so nice, nice. They say thunder, they say lightning. Alright, guys, that was Thunder and Lightning by Phil Collins from Face Value. Real quick, this is just my little, I don't want to say the rant of the day, but I have a bone to pick because I literally have watched a lot of Phil Collins concerts, and a lot of them are shorter, I guess, because they were on VHS. But now that we have uh, CDs, Blu-rays, and DVDs and stuff, they should, if they have this stuff hidden away, they should release the full concert. What do you think? Show me in the comments, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.